In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot TradingView. If you've ever wanted to share a clean, professional image of your chart, or just save a snapshot of your current analysis, this quick guide will walk you through the process smoothly. We'll keep it simple and make sure you capture exactly what you need without any clutter. First, open the chart you want to capture. Take a moment to set things up the way you want them to appear in the image. Choose the correct symbol and time frame, and make sure the indicators, drawings, or alerts you care about are visible. If something looks busy, hide or collapse panels you don't need, and position your cursor away from tooltips so they don't show up in the screenshot. It also helps to center the price action and zoom to a level where your key details are clear. If you prefer a particular theme, like light or dark, switch it before you capture so the screenshot reflects your style. Next, look for the camera icon on the top toolbar, typically in the top right corner of the chart window. It looks like a small camera and is dedicated to taking chart snapshots. If your window is narrow, make sure the chart area is fully visible so the icon isn't hidden. Hovering over it should show a label confirming you're in the right place. Now click the camera icon to take a snapshot. TradingView will prepare an image of exactly what's on your chart area, including price candles, drawings, and indicators that are currently visible. This capture is based on what you see on screen, so maximizing your browser or setting your display scale to 100% before clicking can help you get a sharper, larger image. Finally, click Download Image. Your browser will save the file, usually as a PNG, to your default downloads folder. After it lands there, it's a good idea to rename it with the symbol, time frame, and date, so you can find it easily later. If you're organizing multiple charts, consider keeping a dedicated folder for snapshots and adding short notes to your file names to track versions of your analysis. That's all there is to it. Open the chart you want, find the camera icon at the top right, click to take the snapshot, and then download the image. With these simple steps and a few quick setup tips, you'll get a clear, shareable picture of your TradingView chart every time. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.